Hi guys, it's Dan here, and today we're going to be showing you a content expansion technique to find missing headings using SEO Ruler. So what you want to do first is actually search for your search term. As you can see for this example, we're using best web hosting UK. What you want to do is you want to click on the one that's actually ranking number 1 there. And once you've done that, you actually have the actual article here as you can see, but instead of manually finding the headings, you want to go to the SEO Ruler plugin here at the top, click on that, select on-page copy tools, and then select this button here which says copy all headings, and then just press copy on that. Once that's done, just post it into a sheet. You're probably best off making tabs like Site 1, Site 2, Site 3. You can do this for as many sites as you want to, but for this example, we're just going to do the 3 sites. So what you want to do then is go back to the SERPs and actually get the ones that are ranking number 2 and obviously get the headings from that as well. So just basically repeating that process until you have all the headings from the sites that are actually ranking for that actual search term. So you can see here we're just copying them in now, so they're all kind of loading into there. And then once they're actually posted in, as you can see, you've got all the headings there for all the sites that are ranking in the maybe top 5 or 10 or however many you want to do positions for your actual search term. And it's a really great technique then to be able to run through this actual data and find which ones you're missing. So for example, say you were Site 3 here, you might realize that, Site 1 has certain different headings that you haven't used, those different keywords that you haven't used in your headings. So you can actually add them into your site column there and actually add them in as ideas to add to your content to improve with content expansion. Obviously, that just improves the chances of you ranking for certain key phrases and the relevancy surrounding that topic. So it's a really great technique to do. And obviously, like I said, you can just work through kind of the different columns and find out which ones you haven't used and obviously include them in your headings in the future. So that's the technique, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you guys later.